Going for a stubble look? Make sure it's as on point as the rest of your outfit. Here's how to achieve a polished look that's perfect for any scene. Start with a clean beard and brush it down to keep things even. Next, grab your beard boss and ensure an even length and trim all around. Adjust your guide and make sure to blend your stubble with your sideburns. To clean up your neckline, imagine a line drawn from the corner of your jaw to your Adam's apple. Trim any excess hair below this line. Your cheek line should run from the hinge of your jaw to the corner of your mouth. Trim away any excess hair above this line. Don't forget to tidy your upper lip. No hair should be hanging over it. Finally, remember the little details that often get neglected. Pay attention to nose hair, ear hair, any strays between your brows, and even any hairs around your collarbone. This smart stubble look is perfect for wherever the day takes you, from the boardroom to the bar.